Okay, so in this video, what we're going to do, we're going to just talk about what to do sometimes when you're not shifting and you press the clutch in. And you could say you go to shift to fourth gear, but you're already in fourth gear. What do you do when you want to release the clutch back? You just rev it up and clutch out, okay? So maybe we're coming up to these cars here, a little bit of traffic. Oh, I have to brake. I'm going to clutch in. I'm going to rev it up, clutch out. Okay? Okay, I'm driving along and maybe these cars are going to slow down. Maybe not. Okay, I'm driving along. I'm in third gear. I'm daydreaming. I go to shift it to third gear. So I clutch in. Oh, I'm already in third gear. So I'm just going to rev it up, clutch out. Alright? I'm in fourth gear. I'm cruising along and I go to shift it to fourth gear. So I clutch in. Oh, I'm in fourth gear. I realize that. So I rev it up, clutch out. Alright? So we're coming up. You might have to stop. Going to third. Gonna go to second. Clutch is in. I'm gonna rev it up, clutch out. Okay? In this kind of traffic where you're just going in a straight line, clutch in, rev it up, clutch out. Okay, so I didn't have to downshift there, but I did press the clutch in just in case we're going to stop. So anytime that clutch goes in, before you let it out, just rev it up and clutch out. Okay, so here's another one. Maybe. Rev it up, clutch out. Okay? Gonna go to second, rev it up, clutch out. I don't need to look at the RPM gauge to do this. So my advice is cover the RPM gauge with like an envelope or something, because if you're used to looking at RPM gauge, it's probably not going to work, because all you're doing is basically revving it up and then clutching out. Okay, I'm cruising along. I'm in third gear. Probably going to have to go down to second gear. Second gear. Rev it up, clutch out. Here, probably going to have to press the brake and clutch in. So I'm going to rev it up, clutch out. Okay? So for whatever reason, I have to press the clutch in. Just going to rev it up, then clutch out. So this is basically everything that you're practicing slow in the parking lot. And it's really not that complicated if you just take it step by step. All you're doing is focus on the clutch release, not the shift. So when the clutch comes out, what it's about. It's about the clutch release.